What's goody? Here's April 7th trade recap. So my first trade that I took today was on GJ. It was at 8, around 8. So basically, forgot. These were normally marked out, but I think I accidentally deleted them. But, let's see. Hold on. That's London session. That's New York. Alright, so London highs. These were London highs. Hold on. Alright. I was just checking if my mic was on. But these were London highs. We swept them. Broke structure to the downside. I entered. Targeted 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So that means that's double the risk. And take profit got hit. Woo! And the next trade I took was EUR USD. Wait. Oh yeah. Sorry. This was it. I entered off the break of structure to the upside. Put stop below the sweep. I targeted 1 to 2 risk reward, and I took this trade because we tapped into the London low. That was London low. We tapped into it, broke structure, and I almost got hit. But that's why I lost that trade, because I got stopped out. So next time, ways I could improve is just on the 5-minute, wait for, like, if we see a break of structure to the downside on the 5-minute, like right here, I'm exiting next time. So yeah, that's the trade recap, and my camera was out. It doesn't matter. See ya.